Hello engineers, welcome on the YouTube channel The Machine Design. Today in this video we will learn about the next basic command in Generative Shape Design. In this tutorial we will cover cylinder and offset command in surface submenu. So right now we are in our Generative Shape Design environment, and for creating cylinder we will click on insert menu and surface submenu. Here we will find the cylinder command. Just click on here. We need point and direction to main base for creating cylinder. So in this pop-up and create a point. So right now this is capturing the default coordinate 0 0 0. You can modify. I will offset in y direction 50 mm and keep 0 in 0 direction. Then I will check the preview and OK. Then I need direction, so I will just right click here and I can select a Z component here. So this will shows the default value of this. Radius is 20 mm, length is 20 mm, and second length is 20 mm. So I can vary the radius from just keep it 20, length should be 100, second length I can increase or decrease. So now I will keep it 15. If I click here mirror extend, so it will create a second length as a mirror. Then in this preview or OK one, here you will find the cylinder. If you will not, then you have to click on this drop arrow. So basically there is extrude command and revolve sphere, and last command is cylinder command. So just click here and create. If you have already point created like this, in this environment and any direction, so you can create from here. Just select point here and again direction. Even you can use a line for the direction as well, and then again. So this is our basic cylinder command. Now we will move on offset command. In insert menu and surface submenu, you will find the offset command after the cylinder, and in this drop down here you will find the offset. Just here I need to create a surface. Right now we have both surfaces, so just select it and provide the offset value like 5 mm and change the direction. There is a red arrow showing the direction as outside from the surface. If just click here, you can swap the direction, or you will if you can also use this button for swapping the direction. If you click here, check this box, so it will create a offset in both the sides. Create a preview. You can see here offset is creating in both directions. Again, if you click here and then repeat object after OK, and direction is outside. If you check this command and then OK, it will ask for instances, so it will repeat the number of offsets. Like if I create here 3 instances, so it will take one offset in as default and then 3 offsets in next segments. If I just check it, it will create a new body like new folders. Or if I will undo check, then it will create in this same sequence. For now I will create a check. I will check it, and here you will find the next offsets, 3 offsets in other folder. I hope this video helped you to understand the cylinder and offset command in generative shape design. This was a basic and very useful command. In case of any doubt regarding to this and other command, you can comment in comment section. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. Please do like and share this video. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye.